Boom! Energy is here!
What's happening?
Hey! Shh! Where did the heat go?
Did it just disappear?
Nope! Energy never disappears!
It just changes form.
Let's explore! Welcome to the energy world.
Energy is everywhere!
Heat is thermal energy.
Stored energy is elastic. Gravity pulls things down.
Food has chemical energy.
Atoms hold nuclear energy.
Food energy turns into movement. Plants turn sunlight into food.
Electricity makes heat.
Electricity makes light and sound.
So energy never disappears.
And nature uses energy too.
Energy is everywhere!